Opposites. In easy language, we can say opposite words are the reverse of something like full empty, big small. The opposite of hot is cold. The opposite of short is long. The opposite of happy is sad. The opposite of slow is fast. The opposite of day is night. The opposite of young is old. The opposite of good is bad. The opposite of girl is boy. The opposite of fat is thin. The opposite of narrow is wide. The opposite of deep is shallow. The opposite of tiny is huge. The opposite of entrance is exist. The opposite of rich is poor. The opposite of shiny is dull. The opposite of left is right.